Ever wondered how to say day, one, or well in Spanish? Today you'll learn these words and 7 more. Spanish vocabulary is a vital key to unlocking a new world of communication, culture, and opportunities. We'll be covering 10 essential words. Día, uno, bien, poco, deba, entonces, pone, cosa, tanto, and hombre. These words are the building blocks, the stepping stones on your path to mastering Spanish. Ready to embark on this Spanish language journey? Let's dive into our first word. Our first word for today is día, which translates to day. Let's say it together, día. In Spanish, you could say hoy es un buen día, which means today is a good day. Moving on, we have uno. Uno is Spanish for one. Try saying it out loud, uno. A simple sentence to remember could be uno es el número más pequeño, which means one is the smallest number. Next up is bien. Bien means well. Repeat after me, bien. You could use it in a sentence like estoy bien, gracias, which translates to I'm well, thank you. The fourth word on our list is poco. Poco translates to few or little. Let's practice saying it, poco. An example sentence could be tengo poco tiempo, which means I have little time. Last in this set, we have deber, which means should or must. Together now, deber. You can use it in a sentence such as deberíamos ir al cine, which translates to we should go to the movies. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these words and include them in your conversations, the more natural they will feel. Don't shy away from practicing these words, and soon enough, they will become a part of your vocabulary. Great job on the first 5 words. Now, are you ready for the next set? Let's start the second set with entonces, which means then in English. Try it out. Entonces. It rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Next up, we have poner. The verb poner translates to put or to place. It's a versatile word used in many contexts. Repeat after me, poner. Wonderful. Third in our set is cosa. Cosa simply means thing. It's a handy word to have in your vocabulary. Try saying it out loud. Cosa. Perfect. Moving on, we come to tanto. Tanto translates to so much in English. It's a great word to express a large quantity or degree of something. Go ahead and repeat it. Tanto. Excellent. Finally, we end this set with hombre. Hombre means man. It's a common word you'll use often. Let's practice it together. Hombre. Fantastic. Now let's go over these words one more time. Entonces, poner, cosa, tanto, hombre. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these words, the more natural they will become in your speech. Don't worry if you're not getting it right away. Learning a new language takes time and patience. Just keep practicing, and soon, these words will be a part of your everyday vocabulary. Well done, you've now learned all 10 words. Let's quickly summarize everything. You have done an amazing job learning these new Spanish words today. Let's quickly recap. Día, uno, bien, poco, deber, entonces, poner, cosa, tanto, hombre. Each one of these words, whether it's día for day or hombre for man, holds its unique place in the Spanish language. The more you use them, the more fluent you'll become. So continue practicing and anticipate more vocabulary lessons to come. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these words and you'll be a Spanish language pro in no time. Until our next Spanish language journey, adios.